Hello everybody, welcome back to another Bitcoin update. I'm Chris and I'm going to show you what's happening on the Bitcoin price and what I'm expecting as the next move for the Bitcoin price, because I believe, guys, the next move of the Bitcoin gonna shock everyone. And on this video I'm gonna explain you why I believe that this is very possible to happen as the next move. Also, in the 1 hour time frame we are forming this symmetrical triangle, which is going for a breakout very soon. The next couple hours probably we're gonna have an imminent move either to the upside or either to the downside, according to where we're gonna break this symmetrical triangle. And also we're gonna see the SP500 and the DXY on this video. So if you would like to know the next move of the Bitcoin price, all you need to do is to remain until the end of the video. And also, guys, I would like to show you my Patreon channel, because trust me here, if you are serious investor, you need to enter early. And the reason of that is because if you're gonna jump, guys, to $40,000-$50,000 on the Bitcoin price, you're gonna lose low-cap gems with a massive potential to do 50x, 100x, 200x. And I'm telling you that right now, because subsequently when this is gonna happen, I'm gonna show you as a showcase the results of the people who enter on this Patreon channel. And exactly, I'm going to show you some as a showcase signals, the time that I made those signals, and how many X's will do a deal that time. Okay, so highly recommended. Also, all my strategies: buy signals, sell signals, stakes signals, access to my whole portfolio, and the most important part, a VIP soldier group, is right now the Telegram VIP community, where here we have multimillionaires. I won't say who is who, but we're gonna help each other to become wealthy. So it's actually a group that everyone is gonna get helped by the others. My current goal of this VIP soldier group is to make every person who gonna join on this group wealthy. Okay, this is my personal goal for this VIP soldier group, through my strategies that I follow in a previous bull run, and I made crazy wealth. So without losing more time, let's get back to analysis and start with basically, let's start with this 1 hour time frame, and then we're gonna move into daily time frame. Guys, as you can clearly see, after all this crazy volatility that happened, especially the previous days, right now we are moving on this consolidation phase of $29,200 within $29,500. And because of that, we formed here this symmetrical triangle. And this symmetrical triangle right now has 2 touch points of the support, 2 touch points on the resistance, and we are waiting the third touch point, which probably gonna break either to the upside or either to the downside. And so we are waiting where we're gonna see the impulsive move. And guys, I'm gonna show you both of the technical price targets of this symmetrical triangle, and I'm gonna tell you afterwards my opinion. So this technical price target, if we're gonna break the resistance, it's exactly at the area of $31,800. I'm gonna put really fast an orange box here, and from the other side, if we're gonna break, guys, the support of this symmetrical triangle, which is actually the area of $29,100, and obviously is to break with a confirmation. Okay, we will need to close an hour candle under the support. We have a technical price target, guys, exactly the area, the $26,900. Also, I'm gonna put orange box really fast. So guys, if you ask my opinion, I highly believe that the most odds I give to break to the upside rather to the downside, for a ratio of 70% to break to the upside, 30% to the downside. Okay, and right now let's speak for the daily time frame, because here we need to say some very important resistance and support lines, and actually for some of you to remind, and for some new people who watching this video to learn the new targets. Well, guys, we have this blue line, which is a daily resistance, and if we're gonna break with a confirmation, which the confirmation is to break the blue line with a daily candle and close the daily candle above, is super bullish indication, and as you can clearly see, the time that we did that, we pumped again to the upside, and we went into the next support, into the next resistance, which is exactly this green line. And this green line, guys, is a resistance, is a weekly resistance. Okay, and I told you that if we're gonna close a daily candle above this weekly resistance, this is a bullish indication to pump furthermore to the upside. But today you can clearly see that we didn't have that much buying pressure, but this is obviously nothing to worry about, because if we're gonna close this daily candle, the today daily candle above the green line, it could be very bullish indication for the weekend to pump straight to $30,500. And I believe, guys, if this is gonna happen, guys, I believe a lot that we're gonna get straight into this technical price target on this 1 hour time frame symmetrical triangle, which, as I told you, is the $31,800. And if this scenario is gonna play out exactly as I told you, and also we're gonna break with a confirmation this massive $30,500 area, then the situation is gonna flip into bullish one. Okay, subsequently, if we're gonna continue, guys, and we're gonna get straight to $34,000 area, and we're gonna close a weekly candle at that level, this could be, guys, the beginning of the bull run. And as I told you before, do not confuse the things. It's another thing the beginning of the bull run, and another thing the bull run. Okay, the bull market. The beginning of the bull run, I mean that we're gonna start building some numbers, and especially right now, because the current crisis that we have, the current economic situation that we are dealing right now, we're gonna be in a higher level on the Bitcoin price. Okay, we're gonna have some more money, but we are still gonna be on the bear market. Okay, subsequently, we're gonna start moving slowly, and after the halving, we're gonna see the peak. I believe personally the peak, it could be, guys, $300,000, $400,000, even $500,000, even $500,000 for the peak of the bull run. So you can understand that Bitcoin right now is about to move massively. We have seen this adoption, we saw some adoption, and we are still watching some adoption after the banks which going into a collapse. So you should always consider that as a very historical move, and you should not ignore that, because you can wreck out very badly. Okay, because banks collapse, Bitcoin is pumping. This is very huge indication. From the other side, guys, to become super bearish, we will need to break this $25,200 with a confirmation, and only that way I could say that Bitcoin is bearish right now. Right now, for me personally, I'm neutral, and I'm waiting for confirmations, especially if we're gonna break this $30,500 and close above a weekly candle. I'm gonna be extremely bullish, because I won't expect subsequently to get under $30,000 again. Okay, this is actually my approach. I'm clear the mess, and I'm gonna get, guys, straight into the SP500 really fast. SP500 today pumped to the upside, and the world stock market is pumping today, so you can clearly see that this is actually bullish for the Bitcoin action. Okay, we can potentially see, if we're gonna see furthermore pump until the market's gonna close for the SP500, we can see Bitcoin breaking all this support, all this resistance, and getting straight to $31,800, $31,800 on weekend. Also, the Dixie, guys, before a couple hours pumped to the upside, but right now squeezed again back to this level. And as I told you, I'm expecting a lot from the next week to get under to $100. Recession is closer than ever, and I believe, guys, in the recession, Bitcoin will be in a higher level than ever before, if this scenario is gonna play out with a recession. And people gonna start investing heavily on Bitcoin at that point. Okay, this is exactly what I would like to tell you. And do not forget, guys, to check my Patreon, because if you are a beginner investor, or actually you would like to invest in low cap gems with massive potential, here is the group that you need to enter. Trust me, it's a life-changing group. Okay, this is what I would like to tell you. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will see you all in my next one. Until then, your boy Chris out. Bye.